Removing effects from a clip. Over here on this particular clip, you can see I have a Gaussian blur. It's blurred out up here in my program monitor. So I have that golf ball blurred out. Let's say I want to remove that. If I come up into my effects controls and I come down to the particular effect, which is this effect right here, the Gaussian blur, I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to right click and then I'm going to say clear. And it took that whole effect right out, and you can see now that that effect is gone. All right. So typically an effect has an FX in the, I'll zoom in here a little bit. You can see how it has a little FX in the front. That tells it, hey, there's some effect there. And but you can see that that effect has now been removed from this clip. So effectively all we do is we go up and we find the effect up in our effects controls. We pick on the item, whatever it may be, and right click and say clear.